Before a buyer ever steps foot inside your home, they've already decided whether they're interested or not. And most of that decision happens online in seconds. So today, I'm going to walk you through exactly what buyers are doing before they ever see your home and why it matters if you're thinking about selling. My name is Ray Marquez. I've been helping homeowners sell in the Bay Area since 2007, including right here in Danville. And one of the biggest misunderstandings sellers have is what actually happens before a showing ever gets scheduled. Today, buyers aren't driving around looking at homes first. They're scrolling, they're comparing, they're filtering, and they're making fast decisions based on what they see online. Step number one, the 2-second scroll. When buyers are scrolling Zillow or Redfin, they're moving fast. In about 2 seconds, they decide click or skip. And what drives that decision? Price, main photo, overall impression. If those don't stand out, they keep scrolling. Step number two, the first photo decision. Once they click, the first photo matters more than anything else. Buyers are asking, does this look clean? Does this feel updated? Is this worth my time? If the answer isn't clearly yes, they leave. Step number three, comparison mode. Buyers don't look at one home, they compare multiple. They're thinking, how does this stack up? Is this better than the last one I saw? And if another home feels like a better value, that's where they go. Step number four, save or skip. At this point, buyers either save the home or move on. Saved homes are the ones that they're emotionally considering. Everything else gets forgotten. Step number five, decision to tour. Only a small percentage of homes actually get showings. To get there, the home needs to feel right in price, right in condition, right in overall value. If it doesn't, buyers wait. Why this matters. So by the time a buyer walks into your home, they already have an opinion. They're either excited, neutral, or skeptical. And that affects everything that happens next. In a market like Danville, buyers are very informed. They've seen everything online before they ever schedule a showing. So if you're preparing to sell, the goal isn't just to show your home well in person, it's to win online first. If you want to see how your home would show up online and what buyers would likely think when they first see it, I'm happy to help walk you through it. No pressure, just clarity. And if this helped, make sure to subscribe for more Danville real estate insights. Until next time, I'll see you in the next video.